Hey guys, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are in good spirits and great health. Happy holidays to you. And it has been a very long time since I have done a video, but ta-da, here I am today. I'm in the mood to make a video. So I don't want to take a lot of time doing this, but I wanted to make 6 gift bags for a customer. I've completed 2 orders for gift bags already. One is there and these here. But yeah, with no further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. I have all my supplies. It's just, I don't even think I need tape. My little string, I don't even think I need scissors. It's really that simple. And some tissue paper. And if this is the first time that you've stopped by, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button. It's up there and down there. But just hit that button, like, share, and comment. And also, hey, I made 50 baskets for gifting for the holidays for children, men, and women. So I'll show you some of those too. So with no further ado, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start on our first basket. I'm gonna start by opening our bag here. Making that steady. This is, for the most part, pretty safe. I typically would put some tissue paper in there, but this fits perfectly fine in here without it. Take our little gift bag, put our cocoa, our peppermint spoon. Be careful, guys, those break easy. I'm gonna put a fruit snack in here. If you want to tie this off, you can. If you don't have to. But for the sake of this video, let's just tie it off. Okay, got that. Take our tissue paper here. Put our mug. Give it a try. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be super neat either. You just want to secure it really. And then take this, put it in the bag. Put this in the bag. Ta-da! And if I wanted to, I could put some more tissue paper in there and make it a little fuller. But these are little gift bags. This is a neat idea as well. Little bottle of wine. And this is an ugly sweater bottle cover with a to and from. So sweet. Nice little gift idea too. But yeah, that is simply that. Okay, so for good measure, we're gonna do one more. And this one, we have a little tissue paper in it. And this one's gonna have antibacterial wipes. I'm just gonna put the cocoa and the peppermint stick in here. I don't think I want to put the wipes in the bag with the cocoa. But we'll take our piece of tissue paper, both our mug and ornaments, and wrap this up. Almost done here. As simple as that. And put our cocoa in here. And then we're just going to sit the antibacterial wipes off to the side in the same bag. Ta-da! Cute and simple. So I have 4 more to do. So I'll do those real quick.